Well, go on, hope all is well. So I'm gonna try and make this video as short and brief as possible where Trishanna is concerned. Trishanna needs help. I remember reading, I sorry, I never did even screenshot or nothing, but someone said when Trishanna was younger, she lived into a home and Trishanna have behavior or mental problems. Something wasn't right with Trishanna. And if you watch the first video when Miss Donna had put Trishanna on the program, Trishanna let you know that her mother left her as a young child and the mother don't want nothing to do with her. So Trishanna is seeking love. And we all know you have seen say money can't buy love. You have so many old folks saying we can't even drop on this. You can't bring the ass to the water. You can't force him to drink it. You know, so there's so many. I'm not condemning her and putting my mouth on her. She does really need help. And Trishanna seek love, but she seek it the wrong way because she don't understand. If she probably get a love from Eve, if it's the father, even if the mother gone the father, even if it's one of the parents, that different farmer foundation love there, then our head piece would attach on our body a certain way, you know what I mean? So who want to look on it and say, boy, she have $1 million or close to $1 million and she buy man and this, that to show that she's seeking love. You know what I mean? So kind of lead her off. But there's a little clip where she's fighting the boyfriend because he lock her out, she catch him a cheat after she buy him iPhone and blah blah and blah blah. But just pray for Trishanna.
I'm not saying after Donna give she much money, she take money and go buy a phone give man. No man woman in the she can go in. Tell me if Trishanna no want some lick. A Trishanna that you know? Trishanna that. Watch it. Trishanna that.